Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to host a multiplayer game in Little Nightmares 3. Let's begin! Now, in order for this to work, you don't actually want to use your main Little Nightmares game. Instead, well, we can go into the multiplayer here. And as you can see, we are currently in a lobby, which is sadly empty, but we should be able to hit enter in order to invite a friend. Now this is very important that our friend here is actually the game itself, but not only the game itself, but also the, I forgot the name, but it's called Free Trial and Friends Pass. And as you can see, it doesn't really cost anything, you can just download it and play it for free, and only after both of you have this enabled and installed, you should be able to host successfully, and they should be able to connect to you without any kinds of issues. You can also check the Q&A of the developers, and as you can see, we have fully informations right here. If you want to, you can pause the video and just read it yourself, but basically I can read to you that if they choose to play together, both must be on the same platform and invite each other online. And if you're playing via Steam, you want to invite them using Steam. Should one player purchase the full game, progress made during the free trial will carry over, allowing both to continue seamlessly, and with one unlocked copy, the entire campaign can be completed in online co-op on the same platform. Now, unfortunately, we cannot really play in a local co-op, which I think is a very big shame, but yeah, this is how you can successfully host the multiplayer game. Now, your friend at Friends Pass just needs to join you, and you should be able to just play the game. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.